Oh. Mmm.
Look at so smooth, just like your head.
Good on the second one. Oh yeah, the sauce is insane.
Chili sauce in here. Add in here. Yeah. So this is my chili oil. That'll be faster. It's a hard, yes. So Sonny decided to roll with this bottle. Let's see that. So today we're gonna make some dumplings, but I have help from a professional chef.
What's up?
Sonny, that dude can cook.
That's right.
Yeah, we make a Chinese dumplings. I have to ask you, have you ever made authentic Chinese dumplings?
I could say yes, but I don't know if they're authentic until you try them, Vivian. Who knows?
Also authentic dipping sauce. Chinese traditional, my grandma always chopped the pork with two cleaver. Do you have pork? Do you have pork?
Yeah, I got pork.
Oh, look at that.
Oh!
5-second rule, we can still eat it. There's more flavor from the ground. So what my grandma do believe, the pork tastes better when you chopped than grinder. Only problem is it's too slow. You're gonna take a very long time. Do you wanna try it? Here.
Yeah, sure.
So if you have a too heavy cleaver, that'd be faster. Very good. Do you have a grinder? Here. Look at that.
Look at that.
Easier, much faster though, if you have a grinder.
Right.
But you know what? The cleaver is cheaper.
And by the way, this is just pork butt.
Yeah, with some fat in the dumpling filling.
Fat is flavor.
Good.
Looks good?
Looks good.
All right.
Chopping.
Chop, chop.
We'll give you the hard job. So ginger,
Yes.
chop, small.
Okay.
So you're gonna peel this. My grandma will peel with the cleaver.
Okay, you know what? I've never done it, but let me try. Like this?
Oh, yeah. She's like, we didn't have a peeler.
Or she goes like...
She goes like this. So I'm gonna chop some onions. I always feel the cleaver has some weight, so I can chop it better.
Right?
Yeah.
You have to use less power.
Oh, okay. How are you gonna chop the chives?
Well, I'll show you what I like to do. Take this little damp towel. We can keep everything nice and rolled up, compact, like so.
Oh, that, okay. Yeah, I'm
Oh,
gonna use a towel because sometimes I have a lot of chives, hard to hold.
it's the best. That's why, it keeps it together. Then you keep it in the fridge like this. It lasts forever.
I say the cooking is like an exercise. Look at this arm. You don't even need to go to gym.
Nope.
No, you walk heavier than mine, actually.
Wok, cleavers, cast iron. It's all weights.
That's where you get your muscle.
It's gonna be really green.
I think we got enough chives. So you wanna mix this with your muscle?
Yes.
If you have like a stand mixer, you can do this part with a stand mixer, but we got muscle here. Oh, another thing is one direction. Don't go back.
One direction?
Yeah.
Like I can't
No,
go...
no. Yeah. And now we can put ingredients in.
Okay.
Soy sauce.
Soy sauce.
Always soy sauce.
One Joshon, the best.
One Joshon, yeah. This is soy sauce I use.
Vivian told me about that one, and I've never gone back.
So you see bubbles on top? Good bottle soy sauce.
Really?
Also, you see the soy sauce like lingering on on the
So
wall
you
of the
know
bottle.
it's a little thick.
Yeah, that's a good bottle.
That's a good tip.
Yeah. So now I measure my Chinese eyeballs. Learn from Chinese grandma. If you don't know how to measure this, check out my cookbook down in the description box. This recipe is in my cookbook.
It's an amazing book, it really is.
And sesame oil. Maybe you try to put like 1 tablespoon, okay?
No problem.
Good. See? Let me check out your eyes. Very Chinese. Yes. And cornstarch.
Cornstarch.
So in China, we actually cornstarch is not a common one to use. It's mung bean starch.
Mung bean does the same thing.
Does the same thing.
Yeah.
Sprinkle some salt. Oh, good. Cooking wine. Shaoxing cooking wine.
I've been saying it wrong.
Shaoxing cooking wine.
Cooking wine.
Shaoxing 料酒. Yeah, that's cooking wine. Yeah.
Just a little.
Okay, good. Now you can mix.
Okay.
One direction.
I'm still going the same way.
Same way I make meatballs. If you go one direction, my mom always say that tastes better, smoother. So if you go the other direction, you're gonna mess up your meatball or your filling. Yeah, 100 times and you're done. If you're so lazy, the stand mixer. He's a human mixer.
I'm not lazy. I always do stuff by hand. I always do stuff the hard way.
Okay, that's 100 times you can stop.
I'm not lazy, and I always do stuff the hard way.
So I forgot. You know what? I need a professional chef to crack eggs in here. He mixed all that time without egg. Just look at that. Strain both at the same time. So you're gonna do this 100 again. 100.
Oh my gosh! Now that's 200. Is it gonna be all right?
Yeah.
Should I go the other way now that I put the eggs in?
No, same way. Yeah. I have to check in your direction. Yeah. You got good exercise.
That's the right one. Yeah, I did.
So next we are going to make a dumpling wrappers.
Okay.
So people usually just buy from Asian markets.
That's what I've been doing.
So the frozen one, they're not bad. There's some good brands, but the only problem is the frozen one. They come in the pack when you defrost them, they kind of dry. So you always have to use water around the edge.
Yeah.
Just not that fresh. So making the dough, you can make it in the stand mixer.
Okay.
That's what I make all the time just to save time. But we can mix just in this bowl. Water, flour, salt. That's it.
Put it in?
Yeah. I usually don't measure the flour. I just
Eyeballs.
know
Eyeballs
the
only.
consistency. When you mix it, then we can make it into a dough. That'd be fine too.
Yeah.
So give it some massage. I always say, give a massage to my food, not my husband. Like in the mixer, then you don't have to do this. But if you want to exercise, cook Chinese food. Okay, so put it on the side because I'm trying to find, do you have
Towel?
Rolling pin? Yeah. So I need a small one to roll the wrapper.
Like this?
Oh, this might work, but a little big. I'll try it.
Something a little smaller? How about this?
This
Is that perfect?
This is like a little size of the red here. So the Chinese one is actually like this, but much smaller like this.
Yeah,
Scissors and no.
It doesn't have that.
Doesn't have that, but I think this will work.
Okay, I hope so.
Okay, 30 minutes later.
Yes.
Let's see.
Here we are.
So we're gonna do more exercise, massaging here.
It feels
Let's see.
relaxed.
Yeah. Little massage.
Oh, it feels so different. Rest your doughs, people. You gotta rest your doughs.
Yeah. See, look at that. Look, it's so
that.
smooth, just like your head. I'll give you half.
Yeah.
Like my kids will fight over this. I make half.
They like
you
to
make
do this?
half.
They know
They
know how
wrap
to make the
dumplings.
dumplings?
Yeah. So we're gonna make a little long thing.
I
Yeah,
got
one
that.
piece.
That was a joke.
That was a joke, or you bought it for today?
No, I bought
actually?
it as a joke. Just
Cutting little small pieces, and you can make noodles.
yeah. You could put it through a pasta machine, though, right?
Oh, this is
Yeah.
a pasta machine.
Yeah.
Make some Chinese noodles. Yeah, good size. Look at that. So you just take one. You just press, circle. When you got this shape here, use the rolling pin.
Okay.
So you roll the edges
Oh.
while you turn.
Okay.
Yeah.
I've seen this technique before. I don't think I was very good at it.
So you're turning while you are rolling this. Hey, this worked. You
Works?
know,
Okay,
it works.
good.
So you got this. Your destiny is to make dumpling wrappers. Much thinner.
So when you close it up, then
Close.
it's the same thickness, right?
So in the middle,
Yeah.
it's much thicker.
Yeah.
Let me try this. If this will work. This will work. Yeah. Just a little bigger. So you make a few, put on the side. I put some sprinkles on flour so they won't stick to each other. We just stack them. So, look at that.
It's okay.
In China, like in northern China, they eat this as a Chinese New Year dish.
Okay.
The whole family get together.
Makes dumplings.
Make
So
dumplings.
it's not something they would just do once a week or something, or every other day. It's a special occasion food.
Yes,
Or- yeah.
but now people eat a lot. Some people eat
Yeah.
every day, every week now.
Yeah.
But in Sichuan, dumplings not typical like a Chinese New Year. You have
okay.
some dumpling, but you have a lot of dishes.
Yeah.
Like another 8 dishes on the table for New Year. Okay.
Is it okay?
Yeah. This is good. Well,
Yeah. Work, right?
will work when you
Will
eat in
work.
the stomach. It
Doesn't
no
matter.
shape.
Yeah. Work.
Too much work. We need some help.
We need help. We need help.
So here we have help from Cook for America.
Erica, yeah.
Erica, yes!
Whoa.
Chinese dumplings. So we make it from scratch, right?
Yeah.
You want to learn how to make this wrapper?
Yes.
Here, we already cut the dough.
Yes.
So you just press this to a little round shape.
It's like literally 5 minutes ago.
5 minutes ago. It's a hard, yes. That's good. That's good. Look at it. So we don't have a 3 rolling pin. Sonny decided to roll with this bottle. Let's see if that works.
It's gonna work.
We're improvising.
Yeah.
Just one of those activities that would not be fun to do by yourself, but then with other people.
It's more fun.
Yeah, totally.
Yeah.
That's what you do in the holiday, right? Everybody get
Yeah.
together, make some dumplings,
Do you
celebrate.
freeze them and then just reheat them at another time? No.
So I will make a lot, freeze them, so that's like a quick dinner. You know? This is how my grandma and mom wrap it. It may be different from yours, but whatever works, right?
Absolutely.
So I just take a little filling, put it in the middle. So this dough is very moist. You made it. You made a massage on it, so you don't need any water around here.
Okay.
But for the store-bought, I always put water. That's so dry. So this you can just close it, no problem. You don't need any water. So I have to pinch it first. You can just use this as is, like this. You can broil it, no problem if you close tight. But we're gonna make it a little fancy. I just squeeze it with my finger. Big belly here, here. So you have a little shape here. With your big belly,
I
yeah.
like that technique.
You make it look so easy.
Close it tight. I do this with my kids. They love to do this.
Like this? Yeah.
Index finger, I cross, yeah. Like here, I basically squeeze my thumb.
Oh, okay, like this.
If you do 100 times, Yeah.
Yeah, it looks okay. Can you make an Italian dumpling?
Oh yeah, they make that.
That's too
yeah.
Italian.
What do you think of the noodles region from? From Italy or China? Noodle.
Oh, I would
For-
say China
Yeah.
originally.
But I have a friend who's from Italy that he's got mad every time I was teasing and said, noodles from China. And he believes noodles from Italy.
Oh, I bet Italians hate that.
Hate that, hate that. We're gonna sprinkle with some flour.
Oh yeah.
So here you go. Like I put this whole thing in the freezer.
Yeah, okay.
When it's hard,
And then-
I take it and put it in a Ziploc.
Got it.
Yeah. Like a meal prep, right?
Yeah.
People might love meal prep. So
Yeah.
dipping sauce, I put lots of garlic. I love it.
Mm-hmm. I love
Your
garlic
eyes
too.
open?
Yes.
Yeah, so I'm gonna measure the soy sauce. Sometimes I make more. I just save in a little container. Next day I still have sauce. Vinegar. I love the dipping sauce with the vinegar taste. And a little bit sesame oil. Mushroom powder. So if you don't have mushroom powder, in China we use MSG. But with this,
I've got it. MSG. I've got it.
of course now, chili sauce in here. Adding here some of the oil.
Well, you know this is gonna be good. This is gonna be good.
So if you like a little bit spicier, you can add more. So now it's your job to boil dumplings.
Okay, let's do it.
So when I boil dumplings, I add a little bit salt. I find that gives the skin really smooth. I think we can cook them all. Your pot is big. We're a lot of people today here. That's good. It's
good,
We
right?
don't want to too crowded in there.
Yeah.
So when it boils, we add cold water. It's a little sharp. So I think the skins gets a little chewy, a little nicer when you taste cold water. So now you just wait until it boils again.
Process.
Repeat the process, then that's done. When it
All
boils,
right,
it's
wow.
done. Yeah.
And that gives it a little chewiness.
Yeah.
That we like. I like
Yeah.
a little chewiness. Nice and steamy.
Facial.
Nice and steamy.
Amen. Facial here.
Look at
Everybody's
that.
waiting. Now we got the sauce. So everybody got their own. Like even at home, I serve my kids. They got their little dipping dish to dip the dumplings.
Oh, the sauce.
Erica, tasting time. Morgan,
Morgan!
everybody. Do you
Yeah.
love watch people eating?
I love
Yeah.
watching.
Yeah.
Right? So we're all gonna watch Sonny eat.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, let's watch. Let's watch. You just blow it. It's hot, little hot, but
Oh. They're so good. They're so good. There's a home cooked kind of charm and taste in the fact that they all don't look perfect, and that little bit of chewiness, the meat, since we ground it ourselves with all
Yeah.
that fat, is so it's so soft it melts in your mouth, and the sauce, insane. That I could eat that whole plate. No, I'm not joking. I could eat that whole plate.
Erica's the next. We're gonna watch
ready.
you.
I'm ready.
We're gonna watch you eat.
Listen, I'm down.
Yo.
Yeah. So this is my chili
Yeah,
oil
I
in
trip.
here.
I'm like, are you sure?
You're gonna dip in.
We're dipping it.
Then you're gonna bite on it. We are watching.
They're so good.
Is that different from other Chinese dumplings?
It's the sauce too. It's like very nutty somehow.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna slurp.
That's
Yeah,
the-
because
yes.
we always have a little bowl here too. We can eat it easier.
So juicy.
Juicy, right?
Second bite. You gotta
Second bite.
Dip it in. Dip
Dip
it good.
in.
Dip it well.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm telling you, that's the bite right there. One
Yeah,
shot.
one shot.
Yeah.
I finished it in the
That's
second
the one.
shot.
See? No. God, that's good.
So juicy.
Cheers.
Okay, get in there. Switch me
Oh
spots.
my.
Oh man, the camera.
Oh.
Switch me spots.
Then are you gonna dip again?
Yeah, you gotta get in it,
The
right?
second bite, I put the
Oh,
whole
yeah.
thing in my mouth. Here, Marcus too.
Oh man,
Cheers, cheers.
I went hands.
Dip it up good on the second one. Oh yeah, the sauce is insane.
That is insane.
Is that certified?
That is certified.
It's so good.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Yeah.
sauce.
We're ruined for life.
Yeah.
We're never gonna
It's
be-
nice to be back here. I like this.
Yeah. It
Tell
doesn't,
Vivian
you know,
make
the
this
next day it doesn't taste as good as today because you finished it.
Yeah. No, I believe
Finish
that.
it.
That's insane.
Okay, Sonny. So after this, right? You're gonna make more dumplings?
Yes, yes, I definitely will. When I have friends over to help.
Yeah. To help. Yeah. To roll the wrappers. Use the chili sauce.
Yes.
On my website, cookingbomb.com in description, you
I'm
can
gonna-
get the sauce.
I'm gonna be buying that. I'm gonna put it on everything. I might even try it on ice cream.
Oh, yes.
I said it. I'm gonna do it.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
That was fun. And we're gonna finish all this.
Okay. Yes. Let's do it.
Let's do it. Hello, hello. This one is for you. No.